Are you with me?
I'm with you.
At Planned Parenthood, that's what we're working towards every single day, to get out the vote, to make sure that every person that's taken action in support of abortion rights.
Abortion and reproductive freedom are on the ballot this midterm elections. Indeed it is, especially here in Texas and throughout the country. So no government can tell us what to do with our bodies.
We've got to stop it, y'all, and we can do it. We can do it through this race.
Humans should have control over what they do with their bodies, and we're looking forward to fighting for that and getting Rochelle elected Attorney General of Texas.
I recognize the huge importance of the work Planned Parenthood does. It's the place that provides care for everyone.
It's so important that we show up to vote. That's really why I'm here. Latinos can make the difference in this election. Latinas can make the difference in this election.
97% of the women who had abortions were relieved that they were able to have that choice. So, given that fact, what's going to happen to the women of Texas who have had no choice?
You are your brother's keeper, and you are your sister's keeper. I think that's fundamental to who we are.
I was actually 9 weeks pregnant when the 6-week abortion ban went into effect. And instead of choosing not to run, I ran into the fire because I want to make sure that my daughter has more choices than I do. And we're going to make history again in November.
So much for joining us today, for coming to Texas, Rochelle coming out to Houston. I think we have 22 more days before the election. I hope everybody has decided what campaigns they're going to block walk for or make phone calls for, because we need everybody in this room to get out and help us get out the vote.